Hi, in this video we will show you the recommended weekly cleaning routine for your PUQ press. The tools you'll need during the following instructions are the Allen key that comes with the PUQ press, a brush and a damp cloth. Start with pressing the set button. The tamper base will come down and CL will appear on the display. Remove the magnetic top cover. Loosen the tamper base Allen screw and remove it. Loosen the tamper base from the thread by hand, clockwise. Clean the tamper base with a dry brush or cloth. Clean the thread and cavity of the upper clamp with a brush. Tighten the tamper base by hand, counterclockwise. Put back the tamper base Allen screw and tighten it. Click on the top cover. Press the set button. The tamper base goes back up. Wipe down the sensor, the lower clamp, and the ground basket. Clean the housing of the PUQ press with a damp cloth. Let's tamp.